Hello, Bitcoiners. Thank you very much. Hello, it's good to be with you.
What if the United States sold its gold to buy Bitcoin? Not as a joke, not as a thought experiment, but as official policy. In 2025, Senator Cynthia Lummis proposed the Bitcoin Reserve Act, a bold plan for the U.S. Treasury to acquire 1 million Bitcoin over 5 years, roughly 5% of the total supply.
Here it is. This is the Bitcoin Reserve Bill in the Senate of the United States to establish a Bitcoin Strategic Reserve, a network of secure storage vaults, purchase program, and other programs to ensure the transparent management of Bitcoin holdings of the federal government.
Instead of raising taxes or taking on more debt, the proposal turns to one of America's oldest assets, its gold reserves. The U.S. officially values its gold at just $42.22 an ounce. But in today's market, gold trades above $3,000. That's hundreds of billions in unrealized gains, just sitting on the books. The idea is to unlock this hidden value by revaluing or selling gold and use the proceeds to build a Bitcoin reserve. In March 2025, President Trump signed an executive order establishing a strategic Bitcoin reserve. This isn't some speculative idea. The president has issued a task force to investigate this idea and report back their findings in 2025. It's treated like the Strategic Petroleum Reserve, a financial shield for the nation. The first wave of coins came from BTC seized in criminal cases, but those coins won't be sold. They're being held, signaling that the U.S. sees Bitcoin as a long-term strategic asset. The order also pushes for budget-neutral acquisition methods, like asset swaps. In plain English, selling a little gold to buy digital gold. So how much gold does the U.S. have? Over 8,000 tons, worth more than $750 billion at market prices. Even reallocating a fraction of that could fund a massive Bitcoin position without touching a single taxpayer dollar. If this goes through, it would be a seismic shift. Bitcoin would move from hedge to headline, from outsider to cornerstone, a pillar of national financial infrastructure. It would challenge central banks and maybe force them to adopt a similar strategy, force competing countries like China to engage in this game theory, and maybe, just maybe, trigger the biggest bull run Bitcoin has ever seen. Of course, critics warn this is risky. Bitcoin is volatile, gold is stable, but risk is often the price of innovation. And Bitcoin, unlike gold, is programmable, borderless, and finite. So the question remains, will the United States really sell its gold to stack Bitcoin? Or is this just another idea destined to die in committee? Either way, the conversation has begun. Bitcoin isn't going away.